time play out also the ground report that is coming in from Sambhal, because Sambhal is in the news, and Sambhal ki Holi, where the festival of colors that is being celebrated, but that is happening amid tight security. There has been flag marches that has been taking place. The entire city, the town that has turned into a fortress. However, to avoid any untoward incident, there is heavy police presence also there, but it seems that the people are coming together to celebrate the festival of Holi. Well, Pradeep Datta, who has been joining us live, because Pradeep, we have seen exactly when it comes to the ugly turn of events that has been reported 4 months ago, and over when it comes to the ASI survey, and all of the masjids that are now being said that fall in the procession route have been covered with tarpaulins, and security that has also been increased in sensitive areas. Well, hoping that the day will go out without any untoward incident being reported. However, the message of bhaichara and consensus and confidence building is something that the administration on ground has been doing.
Yes, you're absolutely right. See, I'm right now outside Jama Masjid here in Sambhal area. That's also called the disputed structure being turned by the court. And this is the route that actually the holy processionists are going to take today. And they'll move from this road and they will be going towards the Kotwali side. And let me show you. See how they have covered this structure, Jama Masjid structure, as you rightly said, with the tarpaulin sheets, with the polythene sheet, because they do not want the walls of the this Jama Masjid to get smeared with color. So that's one of the reasons that all sorts of precautionary measures have been taken. But what is more important is that the befitting reply the people of this region had given to all those politicians who were trying to politicize this Holi too. And they here, the Jama Masjid committee member as well as the other Masjid committee member, they have decided that to adjust the timing of namaz. So the namaz timing will be 2:30, because they want by then the procession, holy procession, to move from this side, and they do not want the holy procession to overlap with namaz timing. That's why this alteration, the timing had been there. That clearly indicates that everybody wants that they should celebrate their festival with zeal and fervor, because it's after a long time. It's a coincidence that Ramadan Juma namaz had come on Friday, and the same day the Holi is also being celebrated. But yes, let me show you. See, the security arrangements have been made. The area has been properly barricaded, because this route is to be taken by those processionists. The ones the holy procession will be moving from this side, they have raised the barricades from different places, and this, you can see the police personnel are also deployed at several points. They are trying to ensure that there is no law and order problem. And reason is obvious, because they do not want to take any chance. Let me show you. This is the same place where on November 24, while the survey was being conducted inside the mosque, that was the time when protesters came out, the rioters, they started pelting stone, and this is exactly the point where actually one of the vehicle was set ablaze, and the second vehicle was set ablaze there. The ding-dong battle continued for some time, and that was the time when somebody from within the mob, they opened fire, because of which 4 precious lives were lost. Since then, several measures have been taken by police and administration here. 79 people have been arrested, and some of them are said to be absconding. But today, what actually is the message is that, which is being sent by both Hindus and Muslims, and that message is of bhaichara. See, on one hand, they do not want the masjid wall to get smeared. That's why administration has decided to cover it with, and this was with consensus. More important is that whatever decision has been taken, it is with consensus, it is with consultation, it is with consent. And when there is a consent to the people, and obviously the things are going to be peaceful, and that's what actually everybody here is expecting. And let me again show you. This will be the route. Right now it appears that you will not find anybody, but after some time, these lanes will be totally filled with the wave of people, because once the procession will start moving, they'll be playing. It is said that Sambhal Holi is equally memorable one like the Vrindavan Holi, because they are going to have a similar kind of a Holi here too. And they say that once you are here in Sambhal, you will never forget Holi, and that's what we have seen since yesterday, because everybody was drenched in color. We saw there was people coming out celebrating, especially
Kalkeshwar Mandir as well. Nearly after 4 decades or over 4 decades that we are looking at as the festivities that had marked off Holi, and today as well when the festivities are expected to continue. As Pradeep has been reporting from Sambhal, and the point that he picked up of Rajniti ke Rang also, because we also speak of how the leaders in the opposition has now been raising the issue with Akhilesh Yadav now calling UP Chief Minister as Tisma Mar Khan. Now, this remark comes when local administration in several districts of the state is covering several mosques in sensitive areas with tarpaulin covers and sheets as the holy festival coincides with the Friday Jummah prayers. He further stated that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath loves the number 30 as he uses it in almost every case. The Chief Minister asserted that 30 was the number of people in Mahakumbh, also stampede, who unfortunately lost their lives.
ये जहां त्योहार रंगों का है, वहीं हम सब मिलकर के एक दूसरे के साथ बैठ करके रंगों का त्योहार मनाते हैं। गुजियों का त्योहार भी है, देश की पहचान रही है। गंगा जमुनी तहजीब, हमारे भाईचारा, एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार मोहब्बत के साथ हम लोगों ने हर त्योहार मनाया है। वहीं हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी 30 मार्खा हैं। 30 मार्खा मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि उन्हें 30 से बड़ा प्रेम है। मरे कितने? 30। कारोबार कितना हुआ? 30 करोड़। पूरे प्रदेश को कितना होगा? 30 गुणा 10,000 करोड़।
Now, not only Akhilesh, but other leaders from the Vipaksh have also cast aspersions on holy celebrations amid the Jummah Namaz, with the opposition claiming that covering of masjid with tarpaulin sheets shows the incapability of the government, and this was an attempt by the BJP government to divide the society.
देखिए, ये भाजपा आरएसएस सोची समझी साजिश के तहत मकसद क्या है, क्यों ऐसा चाहते हैं? क्योंकि देश के जो ज्वलंत मुद्दे हैं, बेरोजगारी है, महंगाई है, महिला सुरक्षा है, किसान है, गिरती अर्थव्यवस्था, गिरता रुपया, बस इस पे बात ना हो जाए, इसलिए इनको भटकाइए। इस देश में ईद और होली मनाई जाती रही है पहले, ऐसा नहीं कि पहली बार हो रहा है। मुंह तोड़ जवाब भाजपा आरएसएस, इनके विधायक, इनके नेता, इनकी सरकारों में जो इस तरह का जहर उगल रहे हैं, उन्हें मुंह तोड़ जवाब आप देते आए हैं अपनी एकता से, अभी भी दीजिए।
Joining us right now is the Congress Party's Member of Parliament, Mr. Tariq Anwar with us. सर, पार्लियामेंट में हमने देखा जिस तरीके से लगातार वॉर ऑफ वर्ड्स जो है वो चल रहा है बीजेपी और डीएमके के बीच में, लैंग्वेज को लेकर जिस तरीके से एक विवाद बना हुआ है, उस पर अब एमके स्टालिन का बयान आया है और उन्होंने कहा है कि ये नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी नहीं है, ये एक सैफ्रनाइजेशन पॉलिसी है, क्योंकि हिंदी को जबरदस्ती थोपने की कोशिश की जा रही है तमिलनाडु पे, जो कि हमें बिल्कुल भी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, ये बहुत ही खतरनाक बात है। अगर किसी राज्य को या किसी भाषा को अगर ये लगता है कि उसकी भाषा को नज़रअंदाज किया जा रहा है और दूसरी भाषा उस पर थोपी जा रही है, तो भारत जैसे देश में ये बहुत ही चिंता का विषय है। और हमारा देश एक फेडरल देश है, एक संघीय ढांचा हमारा है, और उसमें अगर कोई भी भाषा, अगर हिंदी को ही हम प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं, तो हमारी कोशिश ये होनी चाहिए कि वहाँ के जो स्थानीय जो वहाँ की पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है या जो वहाँ के शासक हैं, उनको विश्वास में लेना चाहिए।
देखिए, पूरे मुल्क के अंदर जो माहौल ख़राब हो रहा है, पहले होली ऐसे एक अच्छा दिन मनाया जाता था जब हिंदू मुसलमान मिलके इसको मनाते थे, जैसे ईद को मनाते हैं। तो अब कहीं ना कहीं जो खासकर जो वहाँ के जो यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा माहौल को ख़राब कर रखा है। एक हिसाब से मुसलमानों को जो जिस तरह से उनके साथ जो तरीक़ेकार इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, ये बहुत गलत है। और ये मुझे लगता है गंगा जमुना तहजीब, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है कि ये मुल्क जो हंसता बसता खेलता इकट्ठे मिलते थे हिंदू मुसलमान, ये कैसा जहर फैला रहे हैं ये लोग। तो इसका नतीजा बहुत गलत होगा। आपको याद होगा एक बार पाकिस्तान में ज़ियाउल हक साहब ने इसी किस्म का मजहबी माहौल वहाँ खड़ा किया कि अभी तक उनको संभल नहीं पाता है पाकिस्तान। तो यहाँ भी इसी किस्म का जहर बो रहे हैं लोगों की ज़िंदगियों में, हिंदू मुस्लिम करके। इसके नतीजे भी जो नताइज जो हैं मुल्क के लिए आने वाले वक्त में बहुत ख़राब होंगे। तो मैं अल्लाह ताला से दुआ करूँगी इनको अक्ल आ जाए और इस तरह से ये हिंदू मुस्लिम को आपस में लड़ाए ना। होली बड़ा अच्छा त्यौहार है जिसको सब लोग पसंद करते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, और मुसलमानों का जुमा की नमाज है, तो आप अपनी होली खेलिए, उनको अपनी जुमा नमाज पढ़ने दीजिए। तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं बीजेपी के लीडरशिप की कोशिश है कि कहीं ये जो है पॉट सिमरिंग होना चाहिए, चलता रहे, आग सुलगती रहे और आपस में हिंदू मुसलमान लड़ते रहे, ताकि जो यूपी की जो हालात है नौकरियों को लेके, बेरोजगारी को लेके, तरक्की को लेके, लोगों के पास खाने के लाले पड़े हुए हैं तो खाने को दे नहीं सकते, तो इसलिए चलो मुसलमानों के ऊपर जुल्म करो, उसी पे लोगों को खुश करते हैं।
Well, however, the BJP in response has been saying that both the festivities of Holi and Jummah Namaz will be marked at the same time in peaceful conditions.
एक तरफ रमजान की और ईद की सेवई होगी, एक तरफ होली की गुजिया होगी। ये गुजिया और सेवई को ये मिलने नहीं देना चाहते विपक्ष के लोग, इसलिए इस प्रकार की टिप्पणियां करते हैं। मैं समझता हूं कि इसका कोई इसका आशय नहीं है।
Well, festivities in many of the locations there in multiple cities have already started being reported there. We'll get you the live updates. A happy Holi to all of the viewers who are celebrating today. With that, we head into a short break.